Hi, my name's Kingsley Palmer from FMI Works. I'm the BDM. I'm going to show you guys how to log a request. First and foremost, anyone within your organization in your URL, because we use single sign-on, has logged into our system and can log a request. You can have that by authority, by managers or by area managers, but we like to make it open to anybody. So it's anybody within your organization, no extra cost. We want everybody to do that. We also don't have costings for how many assets you have, how many sites you have, or how many contractors you use. These can also be site specific if you've got multiple sites, and this is how you can do it. You can use any kind of electronic device, being a computer, laptop, iPad, mobile phone, of course. Mobile phone's great because you can take a photo. It makes it much, much easier for triage. And I'm going to show you how that works. So this is the portal that you'll see is that the requesters will have. They can search their own information. So any jobs that they've logged, instead of calling you up, who's fixing it, when are they fixing it, why isn't it fixed yet, etc. They can look it up themselves and keep themselves informed. Great soft savings here. Saves you guys a load of time. So back to the requests. So all they need to do is give us two pieces of information. What is your problem and where are you? Again, this can be site specific, so it'll only come up with their particular site. I've put these T's and C's in. You can add your own, but we suggest things like this. If you've got your camera, if you've got your mobile phone, it'll automatically open up the camera and take a photo. Again, makes it much easier for triage. Give us your location, any additional information you can add here. And we also give them a link to our knowledge base, which means they can log in there, and if they're not quite sure what to do, this will show them to do. Again, it stops that back and forth, the phone ping pong with your facilities management team. You can take a photo, as we said. So the things we're looking for is what's the problem. This is catenated, which means what we're going to start doing is building the template to make your triage much easier. 2 is for your end of month, end of quarter, end of year reporting. How much work do we do on this building? How much glass do we do? How much painting? How much carpenter work, etc., etc. So I'll say broken window. That's a common one. There we go. I'll say location, remembering it's site specific for your staff. If you're at one site, it'll only give you that. If you're at multiple, it'll give you multiple options. I always say cafe because I like to eat. There we go. Again, additional information if it's urgent or there's any information they want to give to you. You can also have 10 extra fields here if you'd like. I like to keep it simple personally. What's your problem and where are you? But they can add more. There you simply hit submit the request. They will get the confirmation of the work order the request they laid, which is the work order, so which means they can look it up. It'll give them the location, confirming that it's correct, what your problem is, and we also give them an urgency or a priority and let them know. We don't ask them what the priority, because otherwise everything's urgent. So it goes the other way. We'll let them know when we can do it. The facilities management team can always change that. And that's it. Really simple, really quick, really easy, simpler than emails. English is a second language, no problem. Really simple, really quick, really easy. All right, thanks for listening. Good luck. Bye-bye.